Hello everyone and welcome back to Hack the Matrix, your ultimate destination for all things ethical hacking. I'm your host, Oliver Aurora, and in today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of ethical hacking with our topic, Introduction to Ethical Hacking. So, if you're curious about how to protect yourself and others in the digital realm, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. I greets the viewers and introduces the channel, Hack the Matrix, as a reliable source for ethical hacking content. They establish the topic for the video, which is an introduction to ethical hacking. The host also creates anticipation by mentioning the importance of digital protection and implies that valuable information will be shared in the video. What exactly is ethical hacking? Well, ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is the practice of intentionally probing computer systems, networks, and applications to uncover vulnerabilities and weaknesses. The goal is to identify these vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them, thus preventing potential cyber threats. Now that we have a general understanding, let's explore the different types of ethical hackers. The host begins by addressing the need to establish a foundation by explaining the concept of ethical hacking. They provide a clear definition and highlight that it involves intentionally probing systems to identify vulnerabilities. The goal of ethical hacking is emphasized, which is to prevent potential cyber threats. The host then introduces the idea of different types of ethical hackers, setting the stage for further discussion. Ethical hackers come in various flavors, each with their own areas of expertise. Here are some of the most common types. 1. White hat hackers. These are the good guys. They work with organizations to find vulnerabilities and provide recommendations for securing their systems. 2. Black hat hackers. These are the bad guys. They use their hacking skills for malicious purposes, often breaking the law in the process. 3. Gray hat hackers. They fall somewhere in between white and black hat hackers. They may identify vulnerabilities without permission but disclose them to the affected party afterward. 4. Script kiddies. These hackers lack technical expertise and mainly rely on pre-written scripts and tools to launch attacks. 5. Hacktivists. These hackers have a social or political agenda and use their skills to promote their cause. Now that we know the different types of ethical hackers, let's move on to understanding the methodologies they use. Here are different types of ethical hackers, providing a brief description of each type and their motivations. This helps viewers understand the various roles and intentions within the ethical hacking community. By explaining these distinctions, the host aims to cultivate a better understanding of the subject matter. Ethical hackers employ a systematic approach to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. Let's walk through the common methodologies used in ethical hacking. 1. Reconnaissance. This is the initial phase where the hacker gathers information about the target system, such as IP addresses, domain names, or employee details. 2. Scanning. In this phase, the hacker scans the target system for open ports, vulnerabilities, and weak points that could be exploited. 3. Gaining access. Once vulnerabilities are identified, the hacker attempts to gain unauthorized access to the system, often using various techniques like password cracking or exploiting software vulnerabilities. 4. Maintaining access. After gaining access, the hacker tries to maintain control over the compromised system to continue gathering information or launch further attacks. 5. Covering tracks. To avoid detection, ethical hackers cover their tracks by removing evidence of their presence, making it harder for anyone to trace their actions. It's crucial to obtain proper authorization before attempting any of these steps. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and can lead to severe consequences. The host explains the common methodologies employed by ethical hackers in a systematic manner. Each phase of the process is defined and briefly described, providing viewers with an understanding of the logical progression in ethical hacking. The host emphasizes the importance of obtaining proper authorization, highlighting the ethical aspect of ethical hacking. Now that we have a better understanding of the methodologies, let's talk about the skills and tools that ethical hackers use. 1. Programming languages. Proficiency in languages like Python, C++, and JavaScript is essential for creating custom scripts and understanding the inner workings of software. Hackers always Rust languages because Rust language is a work 1. The memory management and this language very fast. 2. Networking knowledge. Ethical hackers must have a solid understanding of network protocols, routing, and common vulnerabilities associated with network infrastructure. 3. Vulnerability assessment tools. These tools help identify weaknesses in systems, such as vulnerability scanners and network sniffers. 4. Exploitation frameworks. These frameworks assist ethical hackers in testing vulnerabilities and gaining unauthorized access with proper authorization, such as Metasploit and Burp Suite. 5. Password cracking tools. These tools are used to test the strength of passwords and identify weak ones that could be easily compromised. Remember, the use of these tools and techniques should always be within legal and ethical boundaries. The essential skills and tools required for ethical hackers. They mention specific programming languages, networking knowledge, and various tools that aid in vulnerability assessment and exploitation. The host reinforces the importance of using these skills and tools responsibly and legally. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the fundamentals of ethical hacking in today's video. We discussed what ethical hacking is, the different types of hackers, the methodologies they follow, and the essential skills and tools they utilize. Remember, ethical hacking is about protecting and securing systems, not causing harm. If you're interested in exploring this field further, stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into specific hacking techniques and defense strategies. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep hacking responsibly. Summarizes the key points discussed in the video, reinforcing the importance of ethical hacking for system protection. They emphasize the intention behind ethical hacking and express the desire to provide further knowledge in future videos. The closing message thanks the viewers and encourages responsible exploration of the field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Stay connected by following us on our social media channels, and remember, knowledge is power. Happy hacking!